Pustawati, and this is my video presentation analyzing to TOEFL listening path lecture. My test is focus one segment of an academic lecture from the assigned video and outline the structure, main points, and how the questions are asked. Questions are related to the contents being spoken. My analysis close the lecture segment titled Quil Abu Sal. Questions are direction related to the content being spoken. My analysis close a lecture segment titled Abu Sal Temple. Text content of TOEFL video. The temple of Abu Simbel was built in the 13th century by Pharaoh Ramesses II and is located on the west bank of Lake Nasser, about 230 kilometers southwest of Aswan. The temple itself of dedicated on the relief Ramesses II and the gods Amon's Ray and was carved from solid rock. The smaller temple was dedicated to the pharaoh's wife Nefertari and the goddess Hathor. Both the smaller temple and the larger one were dedicated to the king and the gods until the early 19th century, when the Swiss explorer Johann Ludwig Bartholdi discovered the temples. For the most part, they were unknown to the rest of the world. However, the temple recovered neighborhood recognition on the 1960s when the world recorded as a result of the Aswan High Dam project, which threatened their survival by raising the level of the lake's water. To preserve the temple for future generations, the global community and the UNESCO organization a massive technical undertaking to dismantle and reconstruct the temple on higher grounds. The fort on the Great Temple Victorious for colossal status of Ramesses II, outstanding 20 meters height, one of the most prominent features of Abu Simbel. This statue depicts the pharaoh's different natural and ancient Egyptian culture, backed by similar statues of his children on the gods. The Great Temple comprises a number of chamber and statues, enriched white statues and reliefs depicting events from the pharaoh's military successes and his status as a collateral, including on most successful battle, the Battle of Kadesh, where Ramesses II actually devoted the highest and representatives of the temple is one the status of the gods and the David Ramesses II was housed. The similar temple of Nefertari and Hathor is also emphasized at the entrances. The royal column is seen presented of various of the gods and committing their marriage in the heavens. The honor was an Abbey symbol served as a representation of Abbey's power and domination in the regions, as well as a well-deserved tribute to Remesil, Abbey as a warrior and king. The temples were positioned along the narrow river so that everyone passing through Nubia could see them, acting a consistent reminder of Ephesian power. Furthermore, the temples were important for Ephesian religious practice. The orientation of the great temple was planned so that of February 22nd and October 22nd each year. The sunlight was penetrated the inner sanctuary and illuminated the status of the gates and the David Rames II, embracing the poet's David character. Now, I will detail a question asked after the lecture and identity of the access of the word. The answer was delivered by the professor. Number 1. What is the primary purpose of the temples? A. The honor the gods Ammon, the hierarchy and path. B. To serve as a monument to Remus II on Nefertari. C. To showcase ancient Egyptian architecture. D. To collaborate the construction of the ancient kingdom. The answer A. Because of construction, the first temple of the dedicated to the David Rames II, as well as the main gates. The Slimer temple was dedicated to Rames. Number 2. Where was the temple located in the 1960s? A. To protect them from erosion. B. Due to the construction of the Aswan High Dam. C. To make room for agricultural development. D. To consolidate tourism. Answer B. Because UNESCO organized a massive technical undertaking to dismantle and reconstruct the temple on Harper's Cross. Number 3. What can be inferred when to Professor say tributes that were destroyed? A. That had supports the action of Rames II. B. That a great ruler has to be a warrior. C. That Rames II was an efficient individual. D. That pharaohs were great rulers. Answer A. Because Professor supports the action of Rames II. Number 4. What is the meaning behind this statement? A. The rulers needed to be seen as holy. B. The presents were important to the rulers. C. Cooking was important to the rulers. D. The rulers needed to pray every day. Answer right A. Please reason. This answer is correct because the video discussed to Abu Simbel, Temple and Harofi. Remes Second, the main points are 1. Rameses II built the temples on the high, and the gods were illuminated by the sun of special dates. 2. The purpose was the express the divine character. 3. The video calendar, the person of the divine was the secrets ingredient in the rulers. This meant that of rulers like Rameses II, the most important thing was to be seen as secret figures of equate to the get in order with its power to be recorded and repeated. Number 5. What is the significance of the cuts February 22nd and October 22nd and the temples? A. The mother with and coronation dates of Rameses II. B. There are the dates when the sun illumination the inner sanctuary. C. They are the dates of the ancient flooding of the Nile River. D. They mark the beginning and end of the ancient Egyptian calendar. Answer right B. Because on the 22nd of February and the 2nd of October, every year the sun will enter the inner sanctuary and illumine the statues of the gods and Rameses white emperors, the definite character, the parade. Number 6. What is the profession opinion about the numerous monument and its epic? A. He is found to be from Epic. B. His hall is an epic in Hastega. C. The thing historical monument of importance. D. I will never forget Abu Simbel. Answer right C. Because this answer is 1. The entire lecture in the video concentrated on the importance of the Abu Simbel temple both just as ancient Egyptian works of art, but also as a global narrative. 2. The final part of the video detail the abstract detail of the involving many contests to save an election in the temples. 3. The focus on the request effort so the speaking man emitted historic monument a very important and as be processed the great cast center by C.E. by Frank Rameses II and a series on the western shore. It likes Nasser some Prometer. Conclusion 1. Main ancient the temple was built as a place of religious practice and ancient ethics. Second, inside the temple also served as an offering and truly to Rameses II. Third, of the direct questions 4 and 12 listening session. Thank you for watching my analysis.